Hello guys, welcome to the second part of our HTML tutorial series. In the past episode, we had some basic introduction about HTML. In this episode, we are going to study the basics of creating HTML pages. So let's begin. As stated in our past episode, to create HTML pages, we need to use tools such as editors. Web pages can be created using advanced text editors, but here in our tutorial, we are going to use a simple editor like Notepad, which is usually included in Windows systems. Using a simple editor can make learning HTML much easier. You can also use TextEdit if you are on Mac or other editors available on your Unix. Same principle will apply. To open Notepad, you can click the Start button, the Windows symbol at the bottom left of your screen, then look for the Notepad application, and just by simply searching it via the search bar. So we type Notepad. So we can see here the Notepad application. So we open it. So now, with our editor open, we can start creating our first HTML document. So to start, we'll first input the doc type tag. So we type exclamation point doc type HTML. Here, we state that this is an HTML document. All HTML documents must start with a document type declaration. It must only appear once at the top of the document, and it helps browsers to display web pages correctly. Also take note that HTML tags are not case sensitive, meaning we can use uppercase or lowercase in the tag names, but it is recommended to use lowercase. So after the document type declaration, we will add the HTML tags. So we type HTML then closing tag. This will serve as the root element of our page. As we discussed in our introduction, if an element has a content, we need to add a closing tag. And closing tag has a slash at the start of their tag names. So now, inside the HTML tags, we will add head element. So we type head closing head. So here, the head element is the container for metadata. When we say metadata, this is the data about the HTML document. It typically defines the document title, character set, styles, and other meta information. Inside the head section, we will put a title element. So we type title first web page closing. So this title will be the one that is shown on the browser's title bar or the pages tab. After that, we can add the body section. So we type body then closing. So the body section will contain all the visible contents of the page. Inside the body section, we will put an H1 or heading element. So we type heading. This is a heading. H1. So heading elements can be H1 to H6, which pertains to the level of the heading. In later topics, we will discuss it further, but right now, we will put it as is. So inside it, we will add a text stating that this is a heading. So now, we completed a simple HTML document. What we need to do next is to save it. So, save as. We name it sample.html. So take note that we can use HTML or HTML in naming of the file extension. So save it. So now, after saving our file, we go to the folder where we saved it. Then we can open the file by either double clicking or right click then open with any browser. Then here we go. We created our HTML document and displayed it in our browser. So before ending this video, we can take a look on our code. Then we can observe that the text between the title element is the one being displayed on the browser's title bar, and the contents inside the body section is displayed on the page. So we can try to date the text between the title element, then we save it, then we will refresh our page, then we can see that the browser's title bar, the text inside the browser's title bar is also updated. So we can do that also on our heading, then we save it, when we refresh our page, we can also see that the text is also updated. So there you have it. We first created our HTML document, then saved it as an HTML file. After that, we displayed it on our browser. So now, we are able to create a simple HTML page. In the next videos, we will discuss more advanced components of HTML. So see you there. Thanks for watching.